In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split expenses in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to divide a single transaction across multiple categories, customers, or projects, so your books stay accurate and easy to understand. Let's start from the main dashboard in QuickBooks Online. First, you'll want to navigate to your transactions. Depending on your layout, this might be called Transactions or Banking in the left-hand menu. Click into that section so you can see the list of transactions that have come in from your bank or that you've already recorded. Once you're on the Transactions or Banking page, look through the list and find the specific expense you want to split. This might be something like a utility bill that covers multiple locations or a subscription that needs to be shared between different departments or clients. When you've found the right transaction, click on it to open the details. Inside the transaction details, you'll see options to categorize or edit it. Look for the option labeled Split. In some views, it may appear as a button right away, and in others, you might need to click Edit or a similar link first, and then you'll see the Split option. Go ahead and click Split to start dividing the expense. Now you'll see lines where you can break this one transaction into multiple pieces. To add another portion of the split, choose Add Line. Each line represents one slice of the total expense. If you need to divide the cost among 3 different categories or projects, you'll simply add 3 lines. For each line, choose the correct account or category. This could be an expense category like office supplies or utilities, or you might assign it to a specific customer or project if you're tracking billable expenses or job costs. Taking a moment to pick the right category here will make your reports much more meaningful later. Next, enter the amount or percentage that should go to each line. You can type in exact dollar amounts or adjust the numbers until each piece matches how you want the expense divided. Before you save, double-check that the total of all split lines matches the original transaction amount. QuickBooks usually helps with this, but it's important to confirm so nothing is left unassigned. When everything looks correct, click Save or Save and Add to finalize the split. Your single expense is now accurately divided, and your financial reports will reflect that detail going forward.